Hey, what's up people, it's the boy Vijay here, back again with another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about the Lenovo update settings or app that it is so in the previous past we have seen it was a hectic to update. So I'm using Lenovo laptop and it is the Lenovo IdeaPad 320. You can see the model on the picture and it has a specification. You can also see that on the screen. So Lenovo introduced this app much earlier. It is not a new app, but it is now available into the Microsoft Store. So and it is now pretty much updated version and it is good. It's quite good, so that's why I'm recommending it. So to use it, first let us go to Microsoft Store. And yeah, Microsoft Store is doing now great stuff. There are pretty much different apps that you can get for productivity and essential, etc. So here we will go to Microsoft Store and search for the app that is Lenovo Vantage. So Lenovo Vantage provides us it will provide us the every update that Lenovo provides to your computer. And let us click on install here. Till then install, let us talk about it. So Lenovo Vantage also detects your device and also tells what's the validity left, what's the battery condition is, and etc. and different conditions that are required in your computer that Lenovo provide. So that you can see it is of 117 MB, so it don't take much time. So now you can see the product is now installed and let us now launch it from here only. It is a productivity app and it is done by Lenovo only. Nice animation. It is now checking for upgrading. It's taking a while now, so I think I will just skip this until it is back. So let's jump. So now we are into the software. So here you can see my model number, that is IdeaPad 320 15 IKB, that is Intel Kaby Lake processor. So now let us allow it, give it next. Welcome to Lenovo Vantage. So now you can see there are different sections, different parts. It is checking for system update. It is also showing you the warranty. To use this you must have a Lenovo laptop, otherwise don't try to install it and it will not work either. So here you can see my warranty is expired. It started in 2017 26th August and it has ended date of 2018 and it's currently 2021. So it's been a long while since the laptop I am using. Also in the meanwhile, this is my first video in 2021 and also I am congratulating everyone happy new year. Hope this year won't be same as 2020. So as you can see, the camera is working, update is done and it is now also checking. So let us also check for here. No update install is available, so that's it. Let's go to dashboard again. System is in good condition. Let's check this part. Processor is running on 92%. Memory is using 6.75 GB out of 7.88 GB. Storage, it is calculating. Storage, yeah, I have two storage. One is the HDD and another is the SSD. So yeah, now you can see the perfect. Here my specification Intel Core i5 7200 CPU 2.5 gigahertz and it's 100% right now because I am recording this video and also making this. So yeah, it's taking up a lot of space. Also the memory here you can see, and in the SSD part you can see it is a 224, it is a 230 GB SSD card of Kingston, and 120 GB is used, 130 GB is used, 100 GB is almost free. And here in the storage it is a 1 TB HDD. That was previously my primary memory, primary drive I say rather, for all the drives C, D, E, F, etc. But now the SSD is the C drive, and it is the rest of the drives are in here. So you can see last update checked on 19/1/2021. So yeah, because it was previously installed on my system, I had to uninstall and then reinstall. Hardware scan is now on 10/20/2020 last scan. And smart performance, I don't need to subscribe. You can get many Q&A for your machine. You can get to security section. Now security level is intermediate. Antivirus, it is Windows Defender only. Firewall is enabled. Windows activation is enabled. Password it is not installed, I don't need that part. And also Wi-Fi security is also, and virtual VPN is not enabled, I don't need that part too. Intermediate level is good, it's nothing problematic, but it's good. So yeah, that was the Lenovo Vantage app. Now you can easily just go for system updates and yeah, etc. You can get your drivers and BIOS and other softwares. So yeah, that was in this video, and that was this video. I will soon bring up much more content, so stay tuned to the channel. Till then, hit the like button, subscribe this channel, and share this video. So yeah, bye bye, see you and catch you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have a nice day. Peace.